It only takes 30 seconds to forget something. This is the story of the 30 seconds that almost changed everything for the Miller family.
All right, everyone, we need to hit 3 stores today. Big Saturday.
Do I have to come? I'm still tired.
Come on, buddy. You can sleep in the car if you want.
Can we get ice cream after? Please, please, please.
If everyone behaves, maybe.
Everybody buckled? Let's go.
Okay, grocery store first, then the pharmacy, then the bank.
Busy day, but we'll get it all done.
This is so boring.
Lily fell asleep first. It wouldn't be long before Henry followed.
Just resting my eyes.
30 minutes later, they pulled into the grocery store parking lot.
Oh, it's my boss. I have to take this.
I don't want to go inside. Carry me.
Okay, sweetheart. Let's just get this done quickly.
Yes, I can send that report tonight, no problem.
And in the back seat, completely hidden behind the tinted windows, Henry never woke up.
Come on, Mark, hang up. We need to grab the cart.
Sorry. Work stuff. Let's go.
Nobody looked back at the car. Nobody counted heads.
Can you grab the milk?
I'll get the bread.
Got it. What else is on the list?
That one. That one has the dinosaur on it.
All right, 1 box. Just one.
We've been in here 20 minutes already. Let's speed up.
Outside, the temperature inside that car was already climbing. Fast.
Too warm.
That'll be $6 for dollars.
Okay, almost done. Just the car now.
Wait, where's Henry?
What do you mean? Where's Henry? He's with us, right?
He's not with us. Mark, he's not with us.
The car! He's still in the car!
Oh my God, hurry!
Every second felt like an hour.
Henry, wake up, buddy!
Dad? What's happening?
Oh, thank God. Thank God you're okay.
I am so sorry, baby. I am so sorry. It's okay, Mommy. I love you. I was just sleeping. Why is everyone crying?
We made a big mistake, buddy.
A mistake?
We forgot to check the back seat before we walked away.
That can never happen again. Not ever.
From now on, every single time, we check the back seat. Every single time, no matter how busy we are.
Okay, Dad. I understand.
Let's just sit here a minute, all of us, together.
I'm glad you're okay, Henry. Me too, Lily.
How are you feeling now, sweetheart? All better? Yes, Mom, much better. Thank you.
Everyone in? Let's count heads.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Everyone in? Let's count heads. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There, now we're really ready to go.
Ice cream. On the way home. My treat.
Yay!
That day, the Miller family learned a lesson they would never forget. A busy morning, one distracted phone call, one crying toddler. That is all it takes to lose track of the person who matters most. So here is a simple question for you. Do you always check the back seat before you walk away from your car? Tell us in the comments below. And if you learned something from this story, subscribe, because a new one is coming next week.